Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Bitstamp for withdrawals, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Bitstamp for withdrawals, first, log in to your Bitstamp account. Locate the account section on the dashboard. Click on withdrawal to begin the process. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. For certain cryptocurrencies, ensure you have a verified wallet address. If you haven't added a wallet yet, click on Add Wallet. Enter your wallet address carefully and confirm it. You may receive a verification email. Check your email and follow the link to verify your wallet. Once verified, return to the withdrawal page. Fill in the amount you want to withdraw. Review the transaction details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on Withdrawal. You will be prompted for two-factor authentication. Open your Authenticator app or check your SMS for the code. Enter the authentication code in the provided field. After entering the code, submit your withdrawal request. You should see a confirmation of your withdrawal request on the screen. Check your email for a withdrawal confirmation message. Monitor your wallet for the incoming funds. Ensure to keep your account secure by regularly updating your passwords. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.